Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make souffle cake at home. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 6 large eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of milk. Remember to have your eggs at room temperature. This is crucial for achieving that perfect airy lift. Also, prepare your 9-inch round cake pan by buttering and flouring it well. This preparation ensures your delicate cake rises beautifully and releases easily. Now, let's focus on the heart of any great souffle, the egg whites. Carefully separate the 6 egg yolks from the whites. It is vital that absolutely no yolk gets into the whites, as this can prevent them from whipping properly. Begin whipping the egg whites with a small pinch of cream of tartar until they reach soft peaks. Then, gradually incorporate 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape. With your egg whites perfectly whipped, it is time to combine our mixtures. In a separate bowl, whisk the 6 egg yolks with the remaining 2/3 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and fluffy in texture. Now, the key to a light souffle is gentle handling. Carefully fold 1/3 of your whipped egg whites into the yolk mixture. Then, gently incorporate the remaining egg whites in 2 separate additions, ensuring you maintain as much air as possible. Finally, it is time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the delicate batter into your prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Place it into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until the cake is beautifully golden brown and springs back lightly when touched. Remember, souffle cakes are best enjoyed immediately after baking, so serve it warm to savor its incredibly light and airy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.